Preparing for our big bike trip, we wanted to check out our GoPro options. This is the GoPro helmet view.
Set at 18 actually. Watch it.
The GoPro helmet view helps you to see what it's like from the rider's point of view. The disadvantage is you might get a little dizzy looking back and forth. The advantage is you can really hear the person speak.
You know, I got the GoPro on. I have to do something exciting like get hit by a car or something. That's usually the side I have. I'm always behind her when we go biking. It's too fast for me. Alright, then we're gonna drag. Yeah, you and me. I'll give you a head start. Go ahead. Shouldn't have done that.
You know what I got to say about that?
Yeah, you will. The way I see it, life is full of short sprints.
These GoPro helmet mounts come in a set of 6 for about $10 on Amazon. They're easily applied to the top of your helmet. And I have put a description to a link to these Amazon GoPro mounts in the description. 10 to go, babe. And that'll be like 70 for the weekend. I think maybe it does need to be tilted up because I do lean down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. First couple pushes.
The GoPro chest mount kept sliding down, and as you're using and watching from a GoPro chest mount, you get to see the person's hands, if they touch their head. You get to see the sway of the bike back and forth. And you have to look at the person's arms the entire time. Except for when I was standing up on my bike, which is not that often, then you don't have to see the arms. Not my favorite. If you're looking for the view of handlebars when you ride your bike, the GoPro chest mount might be for you. It also has a lot of other useful applications. If you're interested in the GoPro chest mount, I have a link in the description. The GoPro chest mount is just over $10 on Amazon. We are next phase of spring training. This is the GoPro Bike Mount. First time using it. It's on my handlebars. And looks like it's tilting a bit. Pull it up. The GoPro mount has a 360-degree rotation. This might be fun so you can get a view of yourself while you're riding your bike and maybe even some commentary on what you're thinking. The handlebar mount can also be rotated to the side so you can catch the scenery. It's also a great way to see who's riding with you and enjoy a conversation with them. Of course, with any GoPro on your bike, you might have trouble hearing the person that's next to you, but still it's fun to catch them in your footage. The GoPro mount worked pretty well on smooth surfaces, but once you started hitting bumps, you'll see that the GoPro starts to slide down, and you have to adjust it with your finger to get it back to where it needs to be. I'm approaching a pretty cool bridge here, and I'm trying to capture it on my GoPro, but I hit a bump, and as soon as I do that, the GoPro jumped backwards, and it was hard for me to capture it. And because I was riding my bike up a hill, I had a hard time moving it with my finger because I didn't want to lose my momentum. So here's a disadvantage. If you're interested in this handlebar GoPro mount, I've put a link in the description for you. You can find it on Amazon for about $25. Here you can see that my phone mount is getting in the way of the GoPro view. I will definitely be using the handlebar mount in future bike trips. It has a pretty good view of the bike trip, and I really like the 360-degree feature. To me, it's a definite plus before using the chest mount because I'm just not crazy about that arm view. In our future bike rides, we will be using the helmet mount because I really do like the view from the rider's point of view. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss more Our Next Trail videos. Until next time, let Our Next Trail help you find your next trail.